Did you know that there is a small area in your brain that literally lights up when you think about a major financial breakthrough? For example, about an extra $10,000 appearing in your account. This area is called the nucleus accumbens, and it is responsible for that powerful motivation that makes you get up in the morning and move toward your goals. If right now you feel drained and money seems to slip away, watch this video until the end. I'll explain how to naturally activate this area so your motivation to earn money skyrockets. And all of this is based on real scientific research, without fluff or fiction. The nucleus accumbens is the center of the brain's reward system. When it receives dopamine signals, you feel a surge of energy, the desire to act, and the readiness to overcome obstacles for the sake of the goal. fMRI studies show the stronger the activation of the nucleus accumbens during reward anticipation, the more a person is willing to work for it. And money is one of the strongest rewards for the brain because it provides freedom, opportunities, and security. The good news: the nucleus accumbens can be trained naturally, and the effect has been confirmed in dozens of studies. Here are 3 proven practices that truly work and directly influence the dopamine response in this area. I'll give clear instructions on how to apply them specifically for financial motivation. The first practice is mindful visualization of financial success with a focus on anticipation. Numerous fMRI studies, starting from Knudsen's classic work in 2001 and up to meta-analyses in 2021, show that when a person vividly imagines an upcoming monetary reward, for example, a large check or a deposit hitting the account, the nucleus accumbens becomes activated almost as strongly as when receiving actual money. This is called reward anticipation, and it triggers a dopamine spike even without the real reward. How to apply this for earning? Every morning, right after waking up, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and spend 5 to 7 minutes vividly imagining a specific amount. For example, an additional $5,000 this month. Not just a number on the screen, but the sensations. Checking your balance, using the money for something you've wanted for a long time, feeling relief and pride. The key is the focus on the anticipation moment. A little more effort, and it will be mine. Do this daily for at least 21 days. Studies confirm regular practice increases dopamine response, and you'll start noticing more earning opportunities, new clients, ideas, energy for negotiations. The second practice is setting small progressive goals with immediate rewards. Research by Salomon and colleagues, over 20 years of work, shows dopamine in the nucleus accumbens is released especially strongly when the brain sees a clear connection between effort and reward. If the goal is too distant, activation drops. But if you break the path into steps with quick wins, the area lights up much brighter. How to apply for money? Instead of the abstract, "I want $1 million," set a daily goal. Today, I will close a $500 deal. Or, I will send 3 proposals to clients and get at least 1 response. As soon as the step is completed, immediately fix the reward, transfer $50 to your pleasure fund, or buy something nice for up to $20. Important: the reward must be immediate. Do this every workday. After 2 to 3 weeks, the brain begins to associate work and money with a source of pleasure, not stress. In studies, people using this system showed a 30 to 50% increase in motivation for effort-based tasks. The third practice is moderate physical exercise before or during work. Meta-analyses and PET scan studies, for example, Booker, 2008, and others, confirm running, brisk walking, strength training, or even dancing to music trigger a natural dopamine release, specifically in the nucleus accumbens. The effect is similar to a light euphoric state and lasts 1 to 2 hours, perfect for a productive work session. How to apply for financial growth? Before an important money-related task, client calls, product creation, sales, do 20 to 30 minutes of activity, brisk walking, push-ups, squats, or jogging. If you're in an office, go up 10 flights of stairs or dance to your favorite track. Add music. Studies by Blood and Zator, 2001, and Salimpur, 2011, show that enjoyable music increases dopamine response in the nucleus accumbens by 20 to 50%. After the workout, sit down immediately for income-generating work. The brain will be in reward-seeking mode. Do this 4 to 5 times a week. In about a month, motivation for actions that bring dollars will become automatic. These 3 practices are not magic, but neuroscience in action. You literally reprogram the nucleus accumbens to work for your financial goals. Start with just one, preferably morning visualization, and you'll feel the difference in a week. And if you implement all 3, earning money will become easier within a month because your brain will push you forward on its own. Watched until the end? Well done. Now, it's your turn to act. Try at least one practice today and write in the comments which amount motivates you the most. Subscribe if you want more neurohacks about money, and see you in the next video. Forward to your dollars.